For decades, heart disease has been described as a simple problem, high cholesterol. But human biology is rarely that simple. Plaque inside arteries is not just fat. It is a complex mixture of calcium, proteins, fragments of dead cells, oxidized particles, and chronic low-grade inflammation that builds over many years. What you eat each day does not only determine your body weight. It determines whether your artery walls stay soft or become stiff, elastic or brittle, healthy or quietly damaged. This video does not approach the topic with fear-based messaging, telling you only what not to eat. Instead, it asks a different question. If we truly understand the biology of atherosclerosis, could we design a meal that calms inflammation, protects the endothelium, and slows the accumulation of calcium? The answer this video offers is yes, to a meaningful degree, if the right ingredients are chosen. This is not a miracle. It is not a promise of overnight healing. It is applied biology. Food does not replace medication when medication is needed. But it can become a first line of defense, day after day, meal after meal. And in a world where heart disease remains the leading cause of death, understanding what is happening to your arteries every time you sit down to eat may be one of the most important survival skills of the modern age. To understand why food can influence arterial health, we must begin with the innermost layer of blood vessels, the endothelium. This is a thin sheet of cells, but it plays an enormous role. It regulates vessel dilation, clotting, inflammation, and oxygen delivery. When healthy, the endothelium is like polished glass. Blood flows smoothly across its surface. But in the modern environment, rich in sugar, refined carbohydrates, industrial seed oils high in omega-6, alcohol, and metabolic stress, this delicate layer is under constant attack. Oxidative stress rises. Inflammatory signaling activates day after day. What was once smooth becomes microscopically rough. When that happens, the body sends LDL particles to repair the damage. LDL is not the villain. It is a transport vehicle carrying cholesterol, the raw material used to patch vessel walls. But if injury occurs daily, the repair trucks never stop arriving. Cholesterol accumulates. Calcium follows. Proteins and collagen fibers become trapped. Gradually, a hardened mass forms. The video also introduces a lesser-known contributor, bacterial biofilms. Certain microbes can build mineral shells around themselves, allowing them to hide from immune defenses. They prefer inflamed surfaces. Gum disease, periodontal inflammation, and gut imbalance can allow bacteria to enter the bloodstream. From there, they seek out areas of damaged arterial lining. Alongside this runs the story of calcium. Calcium is essential for bone. But when the body lacks vitamin K2, this mineral can be misdirected, depositing in arteries instead of skeleton. As vessels calcify, they lose elasticity and become more vulnerable. Finally comes the issue of fatty acids. Modern diets often contain too much omega-6 and too little omega-3. This imbalance promotes systemic inflammation. Inflammation weakens the endothelium. A weakened endothelium allows LDL to stick more easily. More LDL leads to more plaque. A biological feedback loop. This is the foundation the video builds before introducing any food at all. After explaining the mechanism, the video turns to a new question. If we want to intervene in this process, which molecules matter most? The first pillar is vitamin K2. K2 acts as calcium's traffic controller. It activates proteins that shuttle minerals into bones and teeth, while preventing calcium from settling in soft tissues. Without sufficient K2, calcium is more likely to accumulate where it does not belong, including inside arteries. The second pillar is vitamin C. C is not just an immune vitamin. It is required for collagen production, the structural framework of blood vessels and gums. Healthy gums reduce bacterial entry into the bloodstream. Healthy vessels reduce sites where LDL can attach. Third is vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant. It helps shield the endothelium from microscopic oxidative injury. When the lining is less oxidized, plaque formation slows. And finally, omega-3 fats. EPA and DHA from fatty fish help reduce inflammation, improve endothelial function, limit platelet aggregation, and support blood pressure regulation. Beyond these 4 pillars, the video highlights supportive compounds. Polyphenol from olive oil, potassium from vegetables, acetic acid from vinegar, and sulfur compounds in garlic. Each works modestly on its own. Together, they form a biological protection network for the heart. Now it is time to place theory onto a plate. The video proposes a specific meal, not because it is magical, but because each component targets a step in the atherosclerosis cascade. The foundation is wild salmon, a powerful source of omega-3s. EPA and DHA calm inflammation, maintain vessel flexibility, and improve circulation. Next comes fermented cabbage. Fermentation produces beneficial microbes, along with natural vitamin C and vitamin K2. They influence blood pressure, blood lipids, and inflammation through the gut-heart axis. An arugula salad adds cruciferous vegetables. These support liver detoxification, stabilize blood sugar, and provide potassium. Extra virgin olive oil is drizzled on top. Its polyphenol helps the endothelium remain flexible. A splash of vinegar slows glucose spikes and supports fat metabolism. Sunflower seeds provide vitamin E. A small portion of aged cheese adds extra vitamin K2. Garlic boosts nitric oxide, dilates vessels, reduces clot risk, and suppresses microbes. The video calls this a biological meal, a nutritional ecosystem supporting gut, vessels, and metabolism. From a storytelling standpoint, the video follows a highly effective structure. It begins with plaque, then reveals inflammation, LDL, microbes, and minerals. Finally, it transforms abstract science into a plate of food. This prevents viewers from feeling overwhelmed. They leave thinking, I understand. And I know what to do next. Cardiovascular health is built through thousands of meals, day after day. If you want to continue exploring the hidden biology inside your body, like the video, subscribe, and follow Hidden Body Science. Before your body forces you to listen.